If you want to send message to multiple contacts at the same time, you can create a group text chat. This tutorial review will show you how you can create and name a group text chat on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is open the Messages app. Tap on this new message icon at the top right corner. And here, enter the number or name you want to add to the group. That's how you can add multiple contacts. Once done, write a text here and send it. And then the group will be created. And change the group name. Tap on the group name at the top. And now tap on change name and photo, and from here you can easily change the group name. You can change the group photo. You can also upload a photo from your gallery by tapping on this gallery option. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.